Sup YouTube, welcome to my new channel. Yeah, I'm gonna, guess what? I'm finally saying Ouchy bird. Yay. What do I do? Oh wait. Oh gosh. Oh yes, look at that. No! Why? One. I can't do it. Yes. I just don't know directions. Oh yes, look at that. I tapped it nowhere and I still made it. Is that an ad? Yeah. Alright. Might have this. I can only get one though. Oh! I don't care if I'm mad. Ah! Oh my gosh, that makes no sense, just saying. Oops. The oh, I get it. I'm gonna try the direction. Yeah. Of the windmill. Oh gosh, I cannot do this. I'm just gonna fail at this so many times. 2 more goes, I'm afraid. One more go. Oh, yep, I'm done. I don't want to play this game anymore. Well, I'm letting that be it. Thanks for watching. Aren't you gonna watch this one?